Okay, we can set up the evaporator fan running time at 2 minutes, and then stop running 2 minutes. After that, then working on running 2 minutes, cycle and cycle, and just like this. Press the set hold for 30 seconds. It will be the password. Press 1 again, and press the up down 22. Oh, okay, 22. Press click 1, set again. Okay, go up to 5, F5, F2. Okay, press set again, this, and go up to 2. Okay, set again, and then go to F4. Okay, this one also need to 2, and F5, go down to 2. Okay, then press that for 5 seconds to save all setting.